such a champ, Karen. And so I'm going to jump in a little bit before the kind of reveal, but you were taking a number of supplements. So of course, the prescription nose spray, you were taking binders, you were taking a variety of other support, digestive enzymes, calcium D-glucarate. And so you jumped off the cliff with me. And what happened?
And I started improving.
How quickly?
I noticed by Saturday. So we talked on Thursday.
Yeah.
And by Saturday, I was calmer. I started noticing the sky again instead of thinking about my different symptoms and what was going to happen next. I started sleeping through the night. And then I started sleeping a lot. I was taking naps during the day. That was the biggest improvement. I get eczema around my mouth and the sides of my nose. And I even had it on my wrist. My wrist is completely clear. And my face by today is probably around 80% clear. I know, it's so crazy. I'm like a tiny bit swollen, but just a tiny bit. And everything else, I am so much calmer.
Yeah.
It's almost like my whole body just needs less.
Yeah. And so in functional medicine, we are always looking for what are the tools that this patient needs at this time to get better? What are the underlying problems that are preventing this problem from getting better? And what do we need to do to address those problems? Sometimes the problem is inappropriate treatment or treatment that the body does not need. And so for patients who are coming in and we are mobilizing more toxins than their body can handle with binders that are just too strong, they get worse, right? And when we add extra things to the body that it doesn't need, the body has to take a lot more work to process them. And so sometimes healing is simple as is stopping the things that we don't need. And that is the main message. I was just so thrilled at your response. We see this often, and it's just so much fun.